Eat beyond the noise. Under hypnosis, discover positive self-talk and peace. Now, simply get yourself at ease there. Relax in. You have found a decent location, not that bad. Somewhere where you might simply be. And as you settle, you may find your body reacting against the couch, the chair, or any other place you have selected to be. Just take note of it. Just notice, nothing has to be changed. One may, when you get ready, let yourself close your eyes lightly. And just start to notice your breathing, that natural rhythm in and out. Imagine now that you are on a broad, perfectly gliding escalator. Perhaps composed of polished wood and shining metal, this escalator is really lovely. And you experience a light, easy downward movement when you step on. 10. You are feeling safe and supported, on the first step. As your attention veers inward, the surrounding starts to dim somewhat. 9. The escalator keeps downgrading smoothly. The soft hum of the motor, a comforting, repetitive sound, draws you farther down. 8. You are somewhat further now. One starts to feel a deepening letdown. Just letting the escalator carry you easily and handle all the work. 7. Halfway down right now, with each lowering step, you could feel a wonderful sensation of lightness starting to float through you, a release. 6. You are now delving deeper. Your inner awareness gets clearer, more concentrated, the sounds of the outside world get more far off. 5. The fall keeps on, steady and fluid. You are in a pleasant state of expectation, knowing that you are headed into more profound rest. Four. Almost here. Like a soft wave, a great serenity envelops you. All the tension starts to melt and release. 3. Right now, you are almost to the bottom. Your head is still, calm. You come to feel a great calm. 2. Not too far from a few more. Your body is at ease, your mind still and open, you are totally at peace. And 1. You now stand at the bottom. Stepping off onto a plane of great inner peace and quiet. You are absolutely at ease, open to positive suggestions, and very relaxed. Let yourself relax here in this calm condition for a little. And perhaps you also notice the sounds all around you. Maybe the whisper of the breeze outside, the soft hum of the refrigerator, or maybe just the quietness of the room. Every sound, simply a thread in the fabric of this moment. And you might start to notice your own breathing while you listen to these sounds, or lack of sound. In and out, the soft rise and fall. Every breath, a natural rhythm, a peaceful anchor in the present. Now, occasionally, ideas strike us, do they not? Little whispers, sometimes not so faint voices. Ideas on the day, or perhaps regarding events that have occurred or those that might occur. And occasionally such ideas can have some charge, a little amount of discomfort. Negative feelings, they refer to. And occasionally those ideas could be a little nasty toward us. Self-talk, they term. And it's fascinating, isn't it, how in the moment those ideas and emotions may appear so genuine, so vital. It is nearly as though they are solid. Actually, though, if you stop to consider it, are they actually solid? Alternatively, Are they more like to clouds traveling across the heavens? They show up, float about, and finally transform. I am not going to advise you to ignore those ideas now. That doesn't usually work very nicely, however. It's like trying to hang onto smoke. It seems to elude you more the more you attempt to hold it. Rather, maybe you could simply see them, honor them. Ah, indeed, there is that thought once more. Or yes, I am experiencing that feeling. Just a little thanks. Like identifying a cloud in the heavens. You also know that the sky itself stays as you observe the cloud. Huge and open. Not affected in hue or form by the cloud. And in the same manner, under those ideas and emotions, there is still something of you. A tranquil strength, a serene center. Though occasionally hidden behind the clouds, it is always there. Imagine now, momentarily, that you could grab one of those bad ideas or emotions and gently put it outside of yourself. Perhaps you view it as a shape, a color, or a minor object. Simply whatever first crosses your mind. And you may arrange it somewhat apart. Not too far, just far enough so that you might view it with some perspective. And from this modest distance, you could start to find anything intriguing. Maybe it doesn't seem quite large, quite overwhelming as it did right up close. Perhaps some of its sharp edges start to soften or its colors get somewhat less vivid. And the intellect is a fantastic thing, too. It grows learning. It conforms. And you can learn fresh approaches of reacting to these ideas and emotions, just as you have learnt to experience them in a specific manner. Learning to ride a bicycle is similar. It may appear unsteady and challenging at first, but with some effort it gets simpler and more natural. And as you keep breathing softly, in and out, you could start to feel calm center within you, quiet power. It has always been there, just waiting for your notice. And when you concentrate on that feeling, that sense of inner calm, you might discover that those other ideas and emotions just become less demanding. Though they still exist, like those clouds in the sky, they no longer control you. In a few moments now, I will remain silent for a brief period. And you can simply keep resting, breathing, and let yourself feel this peace and inner power during that period. Knowing that you can see your ideas and emotions without becoming overwhelmed, you can let your mind meander quietly. Anytime you so want, you can go back to that peaceful center inside you. And as you relax there, you can even find that your mind starts to explore fresh approaches of thinking about things, fresh approaches of communicating to yourself. Kinder ways, more encouraging means of expression. Like a flower slowly turning toward the sun, it is a natural process. Allow yourself this time, this moment to relax, breathe, and reawaken that inner peaceful strength. And know that you have the capacity to control and get beyond self-talk and negative feelings. There has always been that. You are just starting to see it. You can take with you this sense of inner strength and peace. Like you carry the remembrance of a nice dream. And as you go about your day, those old negative patterns could seem a little less appealing or significant. You might also be reacting to them in fresh, more creative ways. If you found this video beneficial, please consider leaving a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified when a new video arrives. Alright, now as you relax in this calm condition, start to feel a mild warmth course through you. Like the coziness of the sun on a lovely morning. I will shortly count slowly from 1 to 5. With every number, you will experience a mild restoration of awareness, rejuvenation. And with every number, a fresh hope will start to softly sprout inside you. 1. Your body starts to gently stir with energy, a sensation of lightness and ease. Still there is deep relaxation, and a faint sense of expectation develops. 2. You start to notice the sounds all about you, the soft hum of the chamber, the far-off noises of the world. These noises have familiar and consoling quality. You start to softly sense hope waking within of you. 3. Your sense of your actual body comes more completely back. Where you are resting, you can sense a mild pressure. Good things are on their way, a sense of possibilities starts to blossom. 4. A natural manifestation of the peace and hope you are developing inside you will start to show on your face. Knowing that you can face the day with a good attitude, you get excited about it once more. 5. And now your eyes can softly open, feeling completely awake, rejuvenated, and most profoundly at peace. You bring with you an actual and natural hope. You will find yourself appreciating the wonderful things and the favorable features of every circumstance during your daily life. You will tackle obstacles with a positive and creative mindset, believing you can negotiate them satisfactorily. This hopeful attitude will become second nature to you, improving your perspective of the world and adding more possibilities and delight into your life. Welcome back, you seem energized and full of hope.